What if you can push just one button and make over $10 by watching a simple video? Or what if you can maybe leave a like or a comment on a video and earn $1? Doesn't it sound amazing? I know you guys are gonna absolutely go crazy over today's method. It's super duper easy. You're not gonna need anything but yourself. To get started, you're gonna type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You can withdraw your payment through PayPal, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Paytm, and a lot of other methods. It's a brand new website and no one else knows about this yet, and I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to be able to sign up for a completely free account, which is also worldwide available, by the way. And if you actually watch it till the very end, I am going to show you a surprise, a bonus tip that's going to help you earn an extra $100 daily without any effort on your side. So let's jump into the video. Make sure that you have to pay attention, okay? Because it's a brand new website. No one else knows about this yet. So you really need to be attentive and you really need to pay close attention. There's 5 methods to this make money website, and first thing is that you're gonna go to different websites, okay? You're gonna watch different videos and advertisements. Then next, you're gonna leave an engagement on any social media, which means you can like or video or share a video and get paid for it. For example, we watched this video and for a few seconds, then you're gonna get paid. Also, if you wanna earn a bonus money, you can actually like the video, and by doing so, and even by leaving a comment, you can subscribe to the channel and continue to make money by these little actions. So you can do this, okay? And method number 4 is we can do simple surveys. They're very easy and they're perfect for beginners, and I'm going to show you a few examples in a short moment. And the 5th method allows you to make a fresh new simple account and join for completely free to earn extra money. So you can see on this website that you can do it on whatever device that you want. You can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your tablet, and you can start making money online. For sure, this method works all over the world, so you don't even have to worry about that. And you don't even need to invest anything at all. So as you can see over here, okay, no money or investment is required, so it's free. So how it works is first you're going to choose an earning method, and as you can see, there are a ton of different ways to make money on this website. You can choose from any of these 5 methods, and then second, you're going to begin executing or doing the orders, the tasks, and then you must proceed on the job that you have received so you can start earning money. And third, they're going to send you payment every time you're going to reach a certain threshold. Now, using this brand new website, you're going to get paid daily within 24 hours. So if you want to join for free, all you have to do is click on the registration button up there, which is going to take you to this page, and then you're going to see that you can set up a brand new account to start earning. All you need is to give in your email address, then you're going to create a password, then you're going to click the next button to be able to log into your account, and then on the dashboard, you're going to see your estimated earnings. Now, since this is a brand new account, $0 for everything because you haven't completed any jobs yet. Don't even worry. The moment you start doing a task, even as small as liking or commenting, it's gonna up your money on your dashboard. So the first thing you have to do is obviously verify your email address. So go onto your email, check the inbox, look for an email like this one, and then you're just gonna want to activate your account so you can start earning money. So you're gonna click on that button that says earn. Okay, so when you're on the web page, you're going to click on that button that says earn, and it's going to take you to a page where you can select from different types of payment or payout methods or earning methods. I want you guys to comment down below where you guys live because I love reading your comments and knowing where y'all are from. And also tell me about what devices you use, whether you're an Android or an iOS user, because I would love to know. So make sure you comment that down below before continuing on, and make sure that you check out the description box down below. We have a few links there to help you make more money than ever. I'm sure you guys are gonna absolutely love it. These are links that are super exclusive, so if you don't want to miss out on it, click the link in the description box down below, and let's get back into it. Now, this is super interesting. I'm going to show you the first method, which is by browsing website videos and different advertisements. So basically, all you're going to have to do is click on the green button to start earning, and then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to start browsing different advertisements to be able to start making money. So when you click on the earn button right here, a new window is going to pop up. And you can do this on your phone or even on your computer, so you don't even need to worry about it. Now you have to browse through the page until the timer expires, which should only take a few seconds, literally. All you have to do, move around, move your mouse around, and then stay on the same page, okay? Because if you're not on the same page, then they'll think like you're a robot or something. And then they're going to credit the money into your account the moment you've completed the timer. And then they're going to tell you the name of the website, and then they're going to show you your earnings. So if you want to pause the advertisement, you can just click on the button right there. If you want to shut it, just click on the close button. This is going to stop the advertisement, but it's definitely going to waste your time and effort. You're not going to be able to earn enough money or any money at all. So make sure that you don't make any of those mistakes, especially because I'm already telling you about them right now. So I'm going to give you another example. When you click on the earn button, it's going to take you to a random YouTube video, right? This one. So all you have to do, click on the play button to begin watching the video. Make sure you stay there until the timer runs out. And that's important because if you stop watching the video before the timer runs out, you're not going to get paid. Now let's look at the second example. You can also leave engagement on it. So literally, all you have to do is click on the earn button right here, and then you're going to be taken to a page where you can leave different engagements on different social media platforms like a YouTube channel, an Instagram profile, Facebook profile. And as you can see, there are different and a lot of alternatives and things that you can do to be able to make money online. For example, like I said, you can watch YouTube videos, you can subscribe to different YouTube channels, and then on Instagram, you can follow other people. On Facebook, you can like some posts or statuses. And these are incredible, very simple tasks anybody can perform without any expertise. You just have to click a few buttons, such as watching videos, making comments, and then you're just going to get paid over and over again by doing so. Let's say I click on this button, YouTube views. Now all you have to do is click on the play button to begin watching the video. You can also click on the gear settings to lower the quality of the video so it will load faster, and you can save your internet connection. And if you want to earn some additional money, you can even like the video, and you can see that below. So make sure that you like the video as well. You can share the video. They're going to send you a YouTube URL link. All you have to do is copy it and then post it on Facebook, Twitter, email, or whatever, and then you're going to be able to earn money by doing so. That is the second way to make money, obviously, by leaving an engagement. And then there are so many different ways to earn money still. Okay, like writing comments, writing simple reviews, filling out surveys, creating different accounts, signing up for other people's newsletters. So if I click on this button that says fill out different surveys, it takes me to this page. You can do simple surveys on Google Form, Pollfish, SurveyMonkey, and you're going to get paid like $2 to $5 every service that you're able to complete, and you can even do it in your spare time. If you guys are appreciating today's video and really taking it all in, make sure that you like and subscribe before going further into the video. We would appreciate it a lot. You can also show your love by hitting the notification bell so you'll always be updated when it comes to our YouTube channel, and you won't regret it, and that we can promise you. So keep watching because we're almost done. The website's name, guys, is ZaraClammy.com. You can download this app on your mobile phone, or you can go to the Google Play Store, and then you can look for something like this. So I just want to show you a bonus method on Zara Clammy. As you can see below, you're going to be able to invite or refer a friend to this website and earn an additional 12% commission. So all you have to do is copy your unique referral links from this page, send or share them with others, and then you're going to make an extra source of income. And as promised, I'm going to show you a website where you can make an additional $100 a day. So you're going to go on to Coinbase.com. You're going to click on the Earn Crypto icon at the top. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to earn cryptocurrency. You're going to earn free money while learning about cryptocurrency. They're going to offer you different tutorials, free courses, and videos. And every time you're able to view one of the videos or courses, they're going to pay you extra money. So as you can see over here, $45, $10, another $10 for each video that you watch, which is an amazing amount of money. It's enough, I would say so. And I want to show you a quick example using Band Protocol. You can start the course. You click this button. It's going to take you to this page. We're going to see all of the different beginner lessons for different free courses that teach you about crypto while also paying you money by watching the video. You can see that your 1-minute video is going to earn you $1, and you can keep doing this by watching videos and courses on our website, and you're going to earn easily an extra $100 just by referring your friends to this website. You can also earn an extra $100 by doing so. So once you've completed this, you're going to be able to go back and watch the new courses, repeat the process, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.